Hi, I'm Kirk, President of Lintern Corporation. Just wanted to thank you for watching this upcoming video. If there's any other information that you need or you have any other questions, please don't hesitate to contact us and we'll be happy to help. Thanks.
Today we're going to talk about some of the functions and setting of the Lintern EPC, Electronic Pilot Control. With this particular model, we have the fan off auto. Some of the other models you may see may have a heat off cool or a cool off heat selection as well, but this particular model we are just dealing with the fan off and auto. When switched to the fan mode, this solely runs the fan, no heating or cooling functions. Off, of course, means that the entire system is off. The fan nor the heating or cooling is in operation. And the auto will mean that it will automatically switch between heating and cooling based upon the set points that we're about to go through. So, in looking at the screen here, you can see that 73 degrees is the ambient room temperature. Right now, this is our home screen, so that's what you would see on the display. To go through the programming, we hit the Set button, and the first thing that comes up is a selection of Fahrenheit or Celsius, which can be changed by the up and down arrows. We're going to leave it in Fahrenheit for today's demonstration. Hitting the set point again, as you can see, we have the S1, which means that this is set point 1, which in all Lintern systems is cooling. And right now you can see we have this set for 72 degrees, which can be changed by either the up or down arrows. Hit the set point again, and we go to the differential, which is enunciated by the diff 1, as you can see on the screen. And we currently have a set point of 3. What this means is that the system will actually rise to 75 degrees before it initiates the cooling, and then it will cool down to 72, at which point it will shut the air conditioner off. So the differential is used to prevent cycling or prevent other issues with rapid cycling of equipment. So once we go through set point differential, after differential we have a set point which enunciates that it's in cooling, the first stage. As you can see, that can be adjusted between heat and cool. On Lintern systems, cooling is always the first stage. Hit the set point again, and we have set point 2, which in all Lintern systems is heating. As you can see, the S2 enunciator is flashing. Right now we have that set for 68 degrees. Hit set point again, and you can see we have differential 2, which at this point we have set at 3, which means that the system will actually let it cool down to 65 degrees before the heat comes on, and then will heat until it hits 68 and then shut off the heating system. And the final press of the set button brings us to the H2, which enunciates that the second point is set for heating. As we said before, we can adjust that, but the second stage is always set for heating in all Lintern systems. So now we're back to our main menu, where as you can see, we're back to the ambient temperature of 73 degrees, which is read on our bulb. In order to gain the secondary functions of the EPC, to remove the cover with the 4th screws, and inside we'll find a small switch. This switch is to lock and unlock the function of the faceplate. When switched to the lock position, you'll notice that the set points will not change with the press of the button. When we switch this back to the unlock position, as you can see right there, now we can set the temperature as normal. This function will be nice in applications where you may be worried about someone messing with the temperature controller, changing set points, or maybe in an application where it would be an unmanned pulpit or control room where you'd want this solely to be locked out so that no one could mess with the functions. So that's pretty much it. If you need further information on the EPC, you can go to our website and look up the manual for that, which gives an even more in-depth description of operations and functions of the EPC.